we have our starting six for Liga City Trekkers. Jersey number 1, number 3, number 5, number 15, number 18, and number 7, the team captain. And we have the starting libero, number 12. And for the starting six for that one, the Nota Pioneers, the hosts of the 2025 Nota. Number 8, number 10, number 11, number 20, number 19, and number 2, the team captain. And the starting libero, number 4. Players and coaches, good luck.